Number 35, Tony Dan. Number 0, Sherman Nader. Alright, starting 5. Number 3, Johannes Mendoza. The power forward, Marlon Mendoza. The number 13, the beard, Rahul Maharaj. The captain, the cannon, Chris Papalon. The number 53, the superstar, the hotshot, Ryan Haswell. Alright, here we go with the number 1 seed in this season, Team Puedica. Give it up for Team Puedica one more time. Number 11, Vic Ancheta. DJ Evangelista.
Oh, absent.
Number 32, Andre Altamirano. 23, Kyle Calbonero. Number 17, the scavenger, Dan Carlo. Here we go. Starting 5, number 3, the little Iverson, Nathaniel Nicolas.
Number 11.
Number 6, Nick Valdemoro. Number 54, Nicolo Russia. Number 13, the gunner, the captain ball, Nico Bautista. The number 9, the dominator, the best big man in this season, Pau Deleon. All right, right now we're gonna sing the national anthem. Please stand. All of you guys, respect. Thank you.
Everybody, please stand up, please.
Please stand up, everyone.
Remain stand for the American national.
Please stand for the American national anthem. players. Thank you. Give a shout out for referee T for coming in now. Here we go. The game about to stop.
Ano, kakusali pa natin sa gitna. Sila lahat.
Okay, sure. Kausapin mo.
Para at least alam nila yung bagong ano. All players. In the middle. All players. Okay, guys, this is the championship game. So, congratulations to one of them. And those who are lose from the, say, black and black. Well, this is set as warning. Intentional foul. Okay. You make an intentional foul. You're playing with the ball and you disregard the safety of your opponent. You'll be thrown out. Okay. So make sure that you have played the ball. Okay. Now, I don't know why they changed the rule. They said that required 10 fouls. Now this time it's going to be 7.5. Okay. 7.5. That's the real rule. Okay?
Yeah, it
I
is.
know when I went out on vacation and when I came in, that's what I said. It is a half 17 fouls. Okay, on the 17 fouls, you will shoot 1-1. And on the 10 fouls, you will shoot 2 free throws. No. 17.
17.
Yeah. When we reach 17 fouls, we will shoot 1-on-1. That's a real high school rule. Okay? So I don't know why they changed it when I left. Now on the last 5 minutes, we will stop the clock.
So we got
Every whistle,
5 minutes to change the
okay?
rule.
Any
Shout out
question?
to Referee T right there.
Right. So make sure that you have played ball.
Alright, the
Not
game
played
time
All right. Thank you for referee Bernie.
I don't want to.
Oh, first 2 points got by Poetica. The score is 2-0. Now Martin goes out to Rahul for 3. Short. Rebound by Nicole. Nicole.
All the way, no good.
Rebound by Ranes to Ryan. Ryan Hassan, there's a foul. There's a foul. Okay, there's a whistle. Foul. Nathaniel Nicolas. First personal foul and first team foul.
Number 11.
Rahul to the cannon for 3. Long rebound by Nicolo. Nicolo waiting for Simito to the 3. No good rebound by Mark Mendoza. Okay, Mendoza. Oh, steal by Nicolo. Lucia.
Okay, pass it, pass.
To Nicole, there's a foul. There's a foul.
With foul number 3.
Johannes Mendoza. That's your first personal foul and first team foul.
Lalagyan mo yung mga rebound.
Good job, Mr. RD. Okay, Nicola.
Rebounded, pass it to Pao de Leon for 3.
No rebound by Mark Mendoza.
Nabasket.
To Rahul. To Mark. Passes to Rahul Maharaj. Back to Mark. To Ryan Haswell. To the cannon to balance pass to Mark Mendoza. Mendoza. To Ryan. Ryan. Oh, nice direct look. Oh, 2 points by Ryan Haswell. Okay. Oh,
Madali.
rebound sa Nicole. Oh, slip.
Steal.
Ryan Haswell, 2-point shot by Haswell. Long rebound by... Okay. Buchanan for 3. Go!
It's a boarding shot by Chris Sicanon Tabalan. Alright, now pwede ka.
It's a foul de Leon.
24, Big Fajimoro, shot no rebound by Mark Mendoza. I think that's his third rebound in the game. Pass it to Sicanon Tabalan. 3-point shot, long. Other way. Pwede ka po. Okay, Nicolo. Russia.
The foul.
Now Nicolo. Shot by Nicolo. Boarding. Oh! 2 points by Nicolo Russia. The score is
5-4.
5-4. The score. Rahul for 2. Assist by Mark Mendoza. The score is 7-4 now. 2 points lead by Shaz. Focus over by Nicole. Last time, Mark.
Mendoza.
Okay,
John Escalante.
okay, you got Nicole. Nicole drive. There's a foul. There's a new whistle. What's the whistle here? There's a foul. Number 3, Johannes Mendoza. That's your
Second.
personal foul and second team foul. Nicolo for 3.
Oh!
It's a tie ball game, all 7. Now Mark Rahul, back to Mark Mendoza. Okay. To Buchanan. Buchanan Tabalan. Passes to Mark. To Ryan Aswell. Guarded good defense by Nathaniel Nicolas. Ryan! No good. Rebound by foul. Good save. Passes to Nicolo. Oh,
Ahead pass.
Coach Nicole.
Steal.
Now Rahul to Mark. Mark Mendoza. Mark Mendoza, no good rebound by Pal. Pal de Leon.
Leon.
Crossover.
Oh! No good.
Rebound by Rahul. To Ryan Asher for 3. No good rebound by Rahul. Offensive rebound. Shot by Rahul, short. Rebound by Mark Mendoza. To Ryan Asher. No good rebound by Nick Baltimore. Okay, slow it down. Oh. Give it to Nicole Christian. Okay, pass to Nicole Bautista to Paul De Leon.
Oh,
Turnover, it's a miscommunication by Team Puedica. Okay, number 13, Rahul. To Ryan Haswell. To Tabalan, to Rahul, good fake, to Johannes, out of bounds, free ball. He's still tie ball game 7-0. Okay, Ryan Hassel gets the ball. Okay, passes to Rahul. To the cannon for 3. No, you're being done by Nicolo. Almost finished. Okay, Nicolo
to Nathaniel Nicolas.
for 3. No, you're being done by Nicole. Oh! 3-point shot by Nicole. Bautista, the gunner. Okay. Now, Mr. Hatchett to the cannon to Mark Mendoza. Mark Mendoza to Johannes. Up to Rahul. Shot by Rahul. Long. Rebound by Oak. Scramble. Rebound by Foul. It comes Foul. Oh! Rebound by Mark. Mark Mendoza. Oh, almost steal. Same ball. Substitution, last substitution. Shermanero in, Rahul out, and Chris Pabalan out. Mr. Eugene Chupo in. Mark Mendoza. Oh! Turnover.
This way.
This way, pwede ka ball.
No one touch the ball. Great.
Okay, Nick Baldimoro to Nicolo, Russia. The score is 10-7 in favor of Puerto. Nestania Nicolas to Paul de Leon.
To Nicolo for 3.
No good. Rebound by Mark. Unang karami na pong rebound sa Mark now. Here comes Ryan Asha Hassel. Oh, turnover. Pwede ka ball. Time out.
Bakal ko.
Alright. Okay, Nicolo Lucia. Sa Nicolo. Oh, all the way by Nicolo. Bugano Bautista. Now, Shermanero to this one. To Shermanero, shot by Shermanero, 2 points by Sherman Vaughn. It's not 12-9. 3 points good by Team Puerto. Okay, Nicolo, nice one! Oh, it's a block, nice ball! Oh, recover the ball. Nick Baldimoro to foul. No, there's a foul. There's a foul. There's a reversal foul.
Number 14.
Okay,
Eugene Chupo.
that's your first personal foul, Mr. Eugene Chupo, and third team foul. Two free throws to be awarded to number 9, the Dominator. Foul. De Leon, first free throw is good. All right. So let's see the second free throw of Mr. Foul. The second one short. Oh, this is another foul! There's a foul again! Foul! Who's foul? Who's foul? Can you raise your hand, please? Oh, no, thank you so much, Mr. Sherman Vaughn. That's your first personal foul and 14 fouls. Two free throws again to be awarded to number 9, the Dominator. Okay, two free throws.
Two free throw.
Okay, two free throws to foul. Mr. Paul de Leon. Oh, Puerta. Okay, let's see the two free throws. First one is good. Let's see the second one. Alright, thank you. Let's see the second one by the Dominator. A short foul for 14-9. Let's start the second.
Water.
Okay, now, Mr. Ryan Hasselhoff. Still, you can stand. He's standing there, Tayo. That's the Scavenger for 2. Now, Ryan Hasselhoff. After the 3. Whoa! Pinabot ng 3 points ni Mr. Haswell. That's 3-point shot. The score is 16-12. 4.3 by Puerta. Pagilian, to the goal. That's great. No, you do that by Sherman Vaughn. Alright, Sherman near to Eugene Chupo. Pass to beat one. Nice pass to Sherman Vaughn. Nice pass by Luis one. Alright, it's 16-14. It's a very, very good game. A close game. Now, Nicolo Lucia. Mr. De Roger, the 7-7. Turnover, Puerta. Alright, it's a foul. Coming. Oh, this is coming. Alright, now. Here comes Nicolo Bautista. to foul. Foul to Leon, nice pass. Oh, there's a foul. Mr. Ryan Haswell, that's your first personal foul and 15 fouls. Substitution, okay. Mr. Maharaj in, Mark Mendoza out. Foul, nice pass to Kyle Carbonero. To Nicolo, drive Nicolo, there's a foul! 63, this one, that's your first personal foul, and 16 foul. Warning for penalty. Pass. Two peoples, rewarded to Nicolo Lucia for 20 good. Substitution. Shooter, alright. Sit down, please. Second free throw by Nicolo is no good. Given by Rahul. Rahul Maharaj to Ryan Hassel. Ryan to this one by pass to Rahul to Sherman Ball. Sherman Ball, nice pass to Ben. There's a foul. Which foul?
How many fouls you got?
9. Foul de Leon. First person.
First pa lang?
Sila foul? First personal foul and second team foul.
Alright, substitution from
Rusya at
Hindi.
Altamirano. Pasok ang pangalawa. It's 15-17. 2-point lead by Podica. Now, Andre Altamirano to Nicolo Bautista to Pau. Nice pass to Scavenger. Long rebound by Sherman Ball to Ryan Haswell. Ryan Haswell pass to Sherman Ball to Rahul for three. Sure, give him the foul. Whoa, almost steal. The foul. Turnover. Alright. My pass. Number 53, Ryan Haswell. Haswell to Rahul. Turnover. Good defense, Podica. Okay, Andre Altamirano. To Nicolo for three. Shot! Rebound by nakagawa. There's a foul by Carbonero. Carbonero.
Push, we're right here.
That's your first personal Kyle Carbonero. And 13 foul. Okay. The cannon Kabalan to Ryan Haswell, back to the cannon for three. Oh! What a shot! With 17-18, Chase Taylor, 1 point lead now by Team Pax. 4 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. To Kyle. Kyle, shot by Pau. Oh! Nice favorable shot by Mr. the Dominator Pau Leon. It's 19-18. 1 point lead again by Podica. Now Ryan Haswell goes over. Nice. Oh! Wow! 2 points by Ryan Haswell. It's 2019. 1 point lead again by Nepal. Nice move. Oh! Wow, showing his move now. It's another switcher again, 21-20. Rahul for three. Long rebound by Buchanan. Buchanan Kabalan to Ryan Haswell. Nice fake, one shot by Haswell. No rebound by this one to Rahul to Buchanan for three. Long rebound by Nicolo Rusya. Okay, Nicolo pass it to Andre Altamirano. To Nicolo, nice pass to Kyle Carbonero for three. Long with number one. Pass it to Buchanan Kabalan. Okay, Buchanan number 23. Right, shot by the cannon, no good rebound by up, there's a foul. Please for foul, number 63. Beans 1, substitution, Chupo in, Rahul Maharaj out, Beans 1 out, Mark Mendoza, and, oh, penalty. Yeah, 17 fouls. Yeah. What?
How many team fouls? 7.
Okay, 1-1, Russia. Oh, it's good. 22-20. Another one, it's 1-1.
One more shot.
One more shot to Nicolo. It's long. Rebound by foul. Look at that. Oh, there's a foul. It's inferior number 3. Johannes Mendoza, that's your third personal foul. And
2 shots.
2 shots to be awarded to Mr. Pal De Leon. First one is good. Substitution, Nicolaro in and Miguel Jetta, Kyle Cadonero and Dan Carlo out. Okay, let's see the second free throw by Pal De Leon. The second one is good again. It's 24-20, 4-point lead by Predica. Now Ryan Hasbro. Almost over. Oh, that's turnover. Now we pass Nicolo. Good defense, eh? To Miguel Jetta for 3. Oh, no good. Fast ball. Okay, Ryan Hasbro. We have 59 seconds remaining. 3-point shot. Nice pass to Choco. Long rebound line. Oh, by Russia lost 2 points by Nicola Russia. It's 26-20, 33 seconds remaining in our second quarter. Mark Mendoza. Oh, steal! Now Nicola Russia all the way 2 points by Russia. Now Ryan Hasbro, it's an 8-point lead now by Predica. Macheta. Now Ryan Hasbro goes over to Eugene Chico, to the cannon, for green. Oh! For green! Oh, it's the end of our half, our first half. It's Predica ball. Now, pass it to Nicolas. Russia with tap.
Almost there, almost. Nice pass.
Shot by Nicolas. Oh, rebound by Baltimore. Okay, it's a fastball. The cannon to Ryan Hasbro. To the cannon to Balan for 3. Now, rebound by Tommy Deng to Sherman Bong. Sherman Bong for 3. Long also. Good with the rebound by Nicolo Russia. Alright, now Nicolo waiting for Nicolo. To foul. Nice fake. Shot by Pal De Leon. No good rebound by Pal. To Nicolas. To Nicolo. To Russia. To Nicolo. Pass it to Baltimore. Shot by Baltimore. No good rebound by Johannes Mendoza. Okay. To Tommy Deng. To Sherman Vaughn. Sherman Vaughn. To The top to the cannon for three. Long, rebound by Nicolo, good backside. Oh, turnover. Miscommunication. It's bad ball. Now, number 52, Ryan Hassel.
Right there, left side. Right side.
3-point shot by Hassel. Long, rebound by Foul. No, recovered by Foul. There's a foul. Number 553, Ryan Haswell foul. The first, second personal foul, Mr. Haswell. Substitution, and first team foul. Joanna's out, number 7, Mark Mendoza in. And Vince one in, Terminator out. Nicolo, to Nicolas. To Nicole Bautista. To Nicolas. Good take. What? There's a foul? Who's foul?
63.
Oh, this one. From Mr. 1. Oh, that's your third personal foul, Mr. 1. And 17 foul. Foul number 1. Same ball. Okay, Nicolas to Nicolo for 3. No, the rebound by Ryan Haswell. Ryan to Chris Pabalan. 3-point shot by Pabalan. No, the rebound by Nicolo. Nicolo Russia. All the way. 2 points by Nicolo Russia. The score is 30-23, 7-point lead by Puerca.
Left side.
Nice move. Whoop. Magic shot by Ryan Haswell. 2 points. 25-30 is the score. Nicolas for 3. Long, rebound by Ryan. Now Vince 1. 2. The guy for 3. Long, rebound by Nicole. Power rebound there. Soaring high. The scoring rebound by Mr. Bautista. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. What's that? This is foul number 7, Mark Mendoza. Foul. There you go. Andre Alcantara coming down out. Nicolas out. Andre Alcantara in. And okay, Nicolas. Shot by Nicole. Whoa, Nala. 2 points by Bautista. Now, Chris Pabalan to 1. To Chris. 3-point shot by Chris. Whoa! It's a 3. It's 28-32 now.
Hey, we just have to guard.
There you go. Okay, sa'yo. Okay. Thank you, man. Oh, rebound by 1. Now 1. All the way. No good. Rebound by Nicolo Russia. To foul. Whoa! Assist by Nicolo. And 2 points by Paul De Leon. Okay. Now, Ryan Haswell. Pass to Rahul Maharaj. In and out. It's brought to you by In-N-Out Burger. Nicolo, rebound. Okay, I'm going to Nicolo. So, Andre Alcantara for 3. No good rebound by Maharaj. Almost steal by Mr. The Dominator.
Come on, stop. Stop right here.
Now Mark Mendoza. The second leading rebounder of Team Five. 3-point shot by Haswell. It's a substitution. Chupo in. Pabalan out. Oh, here we go. Run. Thank you so much. Okay, now Andre Altamirano. To Nicolo. Back to Nicolo. Oh! Turnover. Up. Oh. Okay, now. One. Two. Mark Mendoza. To Boss Seal by Nicole Bautista. All the way for two. 46 to 28. Even to Lucas Haswell to Sherman Van for three. Assist by Haswell. Now Nicole Nogo given by Eugene Chupo. To Rahul to Haswell. What? To Nixon. What? Rebound by Eugene. To Sherman Van for three. Long. Rebound by Raj. For two. Rahul Maharaj. The score is 33-36. Now foul nila. Pumibol. At Andy Altamirano. Another foul. Sherman Brown. Second personal foul and 14 fouls.
Okay, naman eh. Oo. Sige, nawakan niya.
Okay, 2 free throws to be awarded to number 9, the dominator, Pao De Leon. First one is good. Let's see the second one. The second one is good again. 38-42, 5-point lead. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining in our third quarter. Rahul Maharaj for three. No good. Rebound by Dancalo to Nicole Bautista. To Pao. Pao rebound by Ryan Haswell. Ryan, all the way 2 points for Ryan Haswell. The score is 35-38. 3-point lead by Poetica. Pavilion. To Dancalo. Altamirano for three. No good. Rebound by offensive foul. What you call that? Loose ball foul. Number 9, Pao De Leon. Rebound number 7, Mark Mendoza to Eugene Chupo. Back to Mark Mendoza. Shot by Mendoza. No good. Rebound by Pao. Here comes Pao. To Nicole. Nicole Santelena by the brother. Nicole Bautista. Ryan Haswell to Maharaj. Long rebound by Vic Pantimoro. All the way. It's a safety foul. Vic Pantimoro. Time out. Messaging on Facebook. Alright. I can take it. Okay. Now, Nicole Bautista. Nice pass! Wow! Fundamentos. Assist by Mr. Nicole. Now number 14. Nice. Steal by Dan. Double dribble. It's a double dribble, Mr. Dan Scavenger Palo. But it's a good steal though.
Alam, makakalusot ka.
Okay, now coming then to Ryan Haswell. Ryan Haswell trying to win his team here. Coming then. Alright. Pao De Leon. Insert third personal, Mr. Pao De Leon and first. Uy, ilan isa mo? Ano? Ilan? Ilan yung isa mo?
17.
Alin?
It was 17 earlier.
No, it's
It wasn't done. It was 17.
I'm sorry. That's your second personal only. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about
first
that.
team foul, eh.
That's not Carlos' foul. Yan yung sa tingin. Five ata. Okay, Titan Carlos on foul 1. 2 points. That's pro. Okay, Johannes, rebound by Pao.
Tol, di ko alam. May
And steal by Eugene Chico. Now, Ryan Haswell. By Haswell. Rebound by Camden. Now, Mark Mendoza, nice pass to Camden. Wow! Yeah, Mr. Baldimero, substitution. Eugene Chico out. And the Cannon Kabalan. I want in this. Ano? Ha? The score is 44-35. Now, Johannes to Mark Mendoza. This one to Johannes. Shot by Johannes. 2 points by Johannes Mendoza. 44-37 is the score.
34-37.
Okay. Paul De Leon for three. Long rebound by one. Okay, now Ryan Haswell. Rebound shot by Haswell. Ryan Haswell.
44-43. How many times?
It's 44-30. Time out. How many?
That's the 3 more left.
Baltimore! Nice pass! Sino pasa? 2 points. Right pass. 3 points by Haswell. Number 3 by 1. There's a foul. Yeah, it's a loose ball count, Mr. Dan Callen. This score.
1-7. Blue.
1-7. Oh yeah, Dan Callen. Second personal foul. Okay, now the Cannon Kabalan to Johannes, to Ryan. Ryan is still. It's 46-43. This is 4 point lead now by Team Puerbeca. Now Dan Callen, nice pass to Callen, 2 points by Dan Callen. 48-42. No, Ryan Haswell.
I got 13 blue. We're down here.
A foul, Nicole Bautista. First personal foul and 15 foul. Now the Cannon Kabalan for three. Oh my goodness! It's another 2 points. It's 30-45. Nicole, to count. Nice pass to Dan Callen again. It's now rebound by 1. Now, this one. Still. Tama ba? 42 kanina eh. Then nag 3 points.
48-45. 48-45. 48-45. 48-45.
Number 2, Carlos Albanero. It's a block. Now, Chris Kabalan. Now, rebound by Mark Mendoza. Almost. Oh. Tama. Stop. Okay. 10 seconds. Good defense by Giancarlo. 6. Shot by... Oh! Stop. Yeah, he said. Who's foul? Who's foul?
Foul number what? 13.
Bautista. Second personal foul. First free throw by Ryan Haswell. 3 minutes and 53 seconds remaining. It's no good. Now let's see the second one. It's good. 26-48 now. Start. Alright, go, Bautista. To Nick Valdemoro. It's a close ball game. Nicole. 3-point shot by Nicole. Number rebound by Long. Rebound by Mark Mendoza. 2. Nice pass to the cannon. Shot by the cannon. Long rebound by Nicole. There's a foul. Foul number 53 stop. Alright, good. That's Ryan Haswell. It's your third personal foul, Mr. Haswell, and 16 foul. There's a timeout? No, timeout, okay.
Okay, go.
2 minutes and 73 seconds remaining.
14 penalty, no?
What score, sir?
14. 1 minute penalty, both teams.
48, 46.
Okay, now Mr. Giancarlo to foul. Oh, there's a foul. Penalty. Who's foul? Raise your hand, please. Who's foul? Alright, thank you. That's your first personal foul, Mr. Rahul. Penalty. Okay, let's see the free throw. The penalty is good. Let's see the second one by Mr. Pau De Leon. Another given by Mark Mendoza. It's all 39, 20 seconds. Shot clock remaining. All 39. To Giancarlo. To number 6 seconds remaining. 2-point shot. Rebound by the Challenger. Okay. Nice. To Nick Valdemoro. He scores out 39. Shot out. There's a foul. Stop. It's a traveling violation. It's all 49. Come on, it's time to. Number 7. To number 0. To number 7. Back to the camera.
Hey, 6 seconds.
5 seconds, shot clock, 4 seconds. Rebound shot by Haswell, number. Rebound by Calderon. To Nicole. Nicole, nice pass to Calderon. Number 0, Sherman Brown. Stop. Okay, 1 minute and 58 seconds remaining. 2 free throws to be awarded to number 17, Giancarlo. The first one is good. We'll see the second free throw by the Challenger. 1 minute 58 seconds remaining. It's never been done by the rule. 2. Ryan Haswell for 3. Rebound by Nicole. He said, alright. 1 minute 46.5 seconds remaining. 17 seconds shot clock. Nicole, nice one! 2 points! By Nicole! Number 7. To a root, to a Mark Mendoza. Nice save! Mark Mendoza! Nice shot to Gonzalo! Number 3 by Kyle Castaneda! 2 points! Shot clock. Alright, it's gone. To Rahul. Oh, that's that's good job. This is the moment of truth. Nick Valdemoro. Alright. Okay, 57 seconds, 15 seconds shot clock. Calzonero. Okay, Nicole Bautista for 3. Number 3 by Mike Mendoza. Now, 3-point shot by Rahul. Number 3 by Ryan. To Chris Papalan for 3. Wow! 29 seconds remaining. There's a foul. Penalty, 2 points, 1-1.
Watch from there. Ooh, 30 seconds left. 52, 54, man. Ooh. One more time on left. You want to call timeout, bro? That's it. 36 seconds left.
Okay, first free throw by Nicole Hill. 55-52. Let's see what's going on. Number rebound by Hassel. Alright, Hassel. 3-point shot by Hassel. Oh my goodness! It's a tie! 26 seconds remaining. Pass the ball. To Kyle. To Kyle. To Nicole.
10 seconds.
9 seconds, shot clock. 6, 5, 3. There's a foul! There's a foul! Number 50. Ryan Haswell. 5-3. Warning, Mr. Ryan Haswell.
Weak ass call, man.
Two free throws. First one is good. Oh yeah. Ref timeout after.
Yeah, timeout after. Timeout. Thank you.
The second is the timeout pass. It's a 2-point lead by